Good day, class. Today we're going to go over Unit 6, SAS 3, Time Value of Money. I like this lesson because it deals with some introductory concepts in regards to money and in the aspect of how money works and some of the characteristics that are important that it has in regards to the way we view it and the way we use it. Now, let me go ahead and show you this famous term. I think we all have heard this term, time is money. What I want us to do now is really just explore this idea in the regards of just money itself. Not necessarily our time, but the time in regards with money. And this really has to go back with the idea of how we think about money as our employees, and we got to think about how they get employed. And that's really what we want to focus on in this lesson, is really how our employment of money affects time as money, a concept. I want us to explore this question: how does the time value of money affect an investment or income? What I would like for you to do is just think about that for a moment. I'll pause the video and call on somebody randomly to share their answer with the class. Now that we've thought about that, there's a couple of concepts I want to go over with you. There's something called FV that stands for future value money, T that stands for time of money, or years normally, and I for the interest rate. It's normally in decimal form, and then something called PV, which talks about the present value money. These terms are important because they deal with on how to recognize what is a good investment to the bad investment, because what it does is that it takes everything into account, what the most important things that you could do with money. Present value, how does it work, is really the interest rate, and for how long is it working for, that derives, or you end up with the future value of what is your money. This clock is probably the best representation I could give you what it means about time value of money. If you notice, just like with any clock, you see how the money grows as time goes on. That's really what it means. It means that we're taking that first initial amount as the present value. How is it working? How fast is it growing? Is the interest rate, and for how long? Really determines what your future value, or FV value, is in this case. What I'd like it for us to do, class, is go ahead and finish SAS 2, and then after that I want you to begin this SAS 3, and then I'll pick this up tomorrow. Alright, well, take care, class. Thank you. Bye-bye.